that you have to pick the most happening event of the last week, which one would that be?
I think it's difficult, but you've put me in a spot. But if I had to mention one event, it would definitely be designer Mihika Mirpuri, unka fashion show. I really was impressed, and to be honest, I wasn't expecting such an impressive show.
So Simi, itna kya khas tha usme?
You know, Aishwarya, I think I really liked the way she used her colors, her sense of intuition with the colors, you know, her combinations. And I think मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ तक हमारे designers हैं, Indian designers, usually colors के साथ experiment करने को डरते हैं.
Right.
Like at the most they'll go for deep maroons and deep reds and you know whatever. But if you look at the clothes जो हमारे screen पे अब दिख रहे हैं, you know, she has not shied away from playing with colors and very, like I said, intuitive with the color combinations. जैसे कि sky blue and red and other colors and you know her embroideries, and I really like the way she has played with all that, you know, and
really
मुझे बहुत अलग लगा. Yes.
तो सिमी कौन था वहाँ पे?
You know, Aishwarya, बहुत interesting crowd था. Like you know, if you're looking at the front rows, आपको कहीं TV artists दिख रहे हैं, तो कहीं socialites दिख रहे हैं, कहीं आपको स्मिता ठाकरे दिख रही हैं, you know, so there are politicians, कहीं fire brigade के head, you know, and कहीं कोई top cop दिख रहे हैं आपको, like you know, some probably some guy from the police force. तो इतना interesting और इतना eclectic crowd था, you know. I could see hoteliers, you know, I could see people from abroad. And I'm like, my God, this designer really has a very good and very mixed clientele.
I know, I can see you go on. So what was the attendance meter like then?
Attendance meter, I think you can obviously tell, you know, from Lara Datta to like, you know, TV personalities like Rakshanda Khan, Smita Thakre, and, you know, हमारे socialites हैं जो Nirmal and Meera Zaveri, and there was just about everybody you could imagine.
So Simi, the attendance meter?
I would give it a 6 out of 10.
Not bad. Okay. I'm very curious कि style कैसा था?
Style तो of course बहुत अच्छा था. People were very well dressed, and you know, it was an Indian collection more or less. तो मेरे को लग रहा था कि you know, I'll probably be one of the few people in Western clothes. And but वहाँ पर mostly I think the theme was set like you know, people were dressed in very nice and chic Western clothes. And I tell you, वहाँ पे आप jewelry देखो, there was so much emphasis on jewelry, and you know, hats off to the older ladies here. अगर आप देख रही हो, they were the cutest and the most well dressed of the lot, you
really?
know. Look at them, you know, itne cute bouffant look and such beautiful jewelry and nice saris.
How
and
adorable.
And you have to check out the jewelry here, you know, it's like itni achhi jewelry logon ne pehni thi, it was amazing.
So
and style pe agar I have to talk about one person here, and that is Amisha Patel's mom, Asha Patel. You know, I think it's like being Amisha's mom and still looking so sexy, you know. It's like you don't know who's hotter, and you can check her out in a short dress. It's a mini dress, you know, very girlish or frilly, and you know, I met her and I complimented her, and she's like, no, you know, her husband was upset that she was wearing this dress, and she was teasing her husband right there, and you know, I think she really carried it off with elan. She was looking really nice. Yes.
Oh, very nice. So what about the style meter then?
Style meter was nice. In fact, जो front row में काफी लोग बैठे थे, मैं भी of course front row में बैठ के वो notice कर रही थी, but मैंने देखा कि there were a few celebrities who were already wearing Mihika Mirpuri's collection that she was you know, showcasing. Like you can see Rakshanda, she's wearing a blue salwar kameez that's from that collection. Smita Thakre, she's wearing one of the collection saris, and there were a few others, you know, I think Laila Khan and a few other girls that I saw that wearing her clothes. And एक बात मुझे खास बोलनी है यहाँ पर कि अगर आप रैम्प पे जो लुक देख रहे हैं, I think हरलीन कौर from Love आजकल has become very popular. हमारी सारी models, चाहे वो गोरियां हैं या हमारी Indians हैं, you know, they all have that parandi and that sweet सीधी सादी Punjabi girl look. So Harleen Kaur is really in. Get your parandis out.
So the style meter,
I would give it a 7 out of 10.
Brilliant. वैसे सिमी, मैं देख रही हूँ, मैं जैसे ऐसे इस इवेंट के बारे में आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, just smiling from ear to ear.
Absolutely.
तो मजा की तरह बात करें.
बहुत मजा आया. I would probably score, पहले दे देते हैं, I think again 6 out of 10. I think the best part of the evening was कि you met such a beautiful mix of people कि यहाँ आप देख रहे हो तो आपको कोई showbiz का दिख रहा है, वहाँ देख रहे हो तो socialite, कहीं और देख रहे हो तो कोई famous jeweler, you know. देख रहे हैं तो socialite, you know, and suddenly then I met this really impressive guy. I have to mention him, Javed Ahmed, जो हमारे पुलिस फोर्स के बहुत ही you know, काबिल ऑफिसर हैं इस टाइम पर बॉम्बे में, and I was so impressed to see him and his wife, and you know, it's like आजकल cops, you know, they're so well dressed and they're so savvy, and at the same time there was something very down to earth about him.
Really?
And yeah, and there were a lot of other people, you know, so of course there was champagne flowing, and there was great dinner, and you know, the clothes were Indian, the food was Thai, so it was a nice
That truly
evening.
sounds like a fun event.
Yes, absolutely. और you know the gajras that they were giving, you know, it's like 2-2 घंटियां छोटी-छोटी लटकी हुई थी वो गजरास पे. I must say that Mihika took care of the smallest details.
That sounds absolutely brilliant. Simi, thanks a lot for being here. Hope to see you next week.
Sure, thank you for
Some faces and bodies can carry off Western while कुछ चेहरे होते हैं best for traditional. But Lara Datta तो लगती है हर look hot. This mind-blowing hottie is our hot shot of the week. चाहे वो look एक traditional घाघरा चोली की, लारा दत्ता से बेहतर कोई नहीं.
यहाँ देखिए लारा को as designer Mihika Mirpuri's showstopper. Wow, she indeed almost set the ramp on fire. वहीं एक दूसरे शो में wearing casual western, she stole the show from Salman Khan. यहाँ लग रहा है ना कि for once the angry Khan didn't look that cool. Casual look कुछ सल्लू को जमी नहीं. But anyway, we all have our bad days. The otherwise well-dressed Salman इस time लग रहे हैं कुछ ठंडे. Better luck next time, dude. Look hot and stay cool.